this is just a quick video. This boat's been out a couple of times and everything's been sweet, and then we've had hot weather and I've pulled it out of the garage to give it a run after it's been over to Morton. Everything was fine. A week later brought it out because of the hot weather, give it another run, nothing. Turn the key, nothing's happening, there's no power anywhere. Charge the battery, check the motor fuses, checked all the inline fuses, they're all good. Then went to the trouble of having a look at the micro switches and the ignition switches. They all seem to be pretty good. So it brings me back to this micro switch, the battery isolator. And as I said, I had one like this, similar to this, for 9 years, and when I did the boat rebuild it fell apart in my hand, so I thought it would be a good time to get another one. This is it. So I've quickly just bolted everything back up to show you, and I've got a new one here which I'm going to put on. This is slightly different. It's a Navara, and Navara's a pretty good brand. This one actually says it's made in Turkey. This other one here has no brand, no name, or where it's made. Whitworth sell these ones. Pretty much anywhere will sell these ones. But if you're going to buy one, buy two, just in case it is the problem I'm dealing with. So I'll just show you. We have got you'll be able to see it from there anyway. I've got 1280 volts of battery. Got my test light somewhere anyway. We're going to turn this on now. Some sort of power somewhere. Tilt and trim, nothing for the motor either. So I'm going to pause it there, I'm going to undo it and put this other one on and see what happens.